Today, Minnesota Public Radio and the University of Minnesota's Humphrey Institute released a public opinion poll that says Minnesotans do not trust the federal government. Really? Let's take a closer look at the results of the poll. University of Minnesota political science professor Larry Jacobs says there is a political volcano that has gone off in Minnesota. Really? Really? The poll shows that more Minnesotans disapprove of the federal healthcare overhaul than approve of it. Really? But does this mean that Minnesotans support the status quo on healthcare? Really? The now fabled Tea Party certainly doesn't want any more government in their healthcare, or in their lives for that matter. We know that. Meanwhile, what does this poll say about the Tea Party? Not much support for Tea Partiers. Really? Really? And what about that President Obama and his move of this country towards socialism? What about that? Nearly half of the poll's respondents thought they believed that President Obama is moving the country towards socialism. At the same time, more than half of the respondents approve of the president's performance. Really? 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 So what does all this mean for Democrats in Minnesota? Well, according to Professor Jacobs, Democrats need to focus on concrete issues and how those issues will affect people's lives, instead of focusing on vague philosophical debates. If they do that, debates like distrust in the federal government? Really? Really? They might lose. Really?